What's up guys, welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today I'm going to show you a super simple summer dessert. We're making some grilled peaches. Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook, it's about telling the story of the food. I have our grill pan over high heat, or if you're using a regular outdoor grill, again, just get it on high. Our peaches that we halved and we took the pit out, and I'm just gonna dunk the cut end in a little bit of olive oil to make sure it gets well coated, so this way the peaches don't stick to the grill. That's what sound we wanna hear. And we're just gonna let these cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until they get some nice grill marks on them, and they're gonna soften up a little bit. And these are just underripe peaches, so it makes it a little bit easier to cut them apart without them falling apart, and the heat will soften them up the rest of the way through. So we've got this great golden color now on our peaches. That's the sugar in the peach caramelizing from the heat. So we're gonna take these off now, let them rest for just a minute, and then we're gonna plate them up. You can serve your grilled peaches with fresh whipped cream, which you can find at the card above. You could use fresh whipped ricotta, you could use mascarpone, vanilla ice cream. Let me know in the comments below what you would serve your grilled peaches with. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so you know every time there is a fresh new dish up at Cara's Cucina. Recipe is at caradifalco.com, and I will see you guys next week. Buon appetito.